In this video, I will tell you how to fix Borrowbox app keeps crashing. So it is easy and simple. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Borrowbox app. Now tap on app info option. Now tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear data and OK. Now close this and go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and tap on search option. After that, tap on search bar and type Borrowbox. Now tap on here, and here you will see the update button option. You simply tap on this to update the app to the latest version. So this will fix the issue of crashing. So hope this video will help. Thanks.